Good morning, students. We are discussing class 4 English literature lesson 9. So today we will study from here. Okay. The stage manager who had seen me perform before mother's friends said something about letting me go on in her place. So in the last class I have told you, because of his mother's crooked voice, the voice was coming down and down. She was not able to sing. So she came out of the stage. So what happened now? The stage manager, there was a manager who was managing the stage. He had seen this Charlie Chaplin performing in front of her mother's friends before. Then said something about letting me go on in her place. And this stage manager, he came to Charlie Chaplin and he told him that you should perform in place of your mother. Okay. And in the turmoil, I remember him leading me by the hand and after a few explanatory words to the audience, leaving me on the stage alone. So what did the stage manager do? Stage manager, he took the boy, he took Charlie Chaplin to the stage and he spoke something to the audience about Charlie Chaplin and he told him to perform something in front of the audience, leaving me on the stage. He kept him alone on the stage and he came down. Then, and before a glare of footlights and faces in smoke, I started to sing a well-known song. So it was first time that he is coming to such big stage. And what happened? He looked at the audience and he was confused. He did not know what exactly to do. So what did he do? He started to sing a very well-known song. Means the song which he knew well, he began to sing that particular song. Then halfway through, a shower of money poured onto the stage. So what did the people do? Listening to this song, they were all happy and they threw some money. All the people, they poured, means they threw some money on him. Then immediately I stopped and announced that I would pick the money first and sing afterwards. So what did he do? Immediately he told to the audience that I will collect all the money, whatever you have thrown to me, I will gather all the money, I will pick all the money, then I can sing the next song for you. Like that he gave the announcement.